curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever wanted to build something amazing? To get the job done right, you need to call in the experts. This looks like a big project. Just a pile of wood won't turn into a go-kart by itself. It's time to assemble. The Toolbox Super Squad. Each of these amazing tools has a special superpower to help us build. First up is Measuretron. His power is precision. He makes sure every piece is the perfect size. Remember the rule. Measure twice, cut once. Next, Sawtooth uses his superpower of cutting to slice the wood into the exact shapes and sizes we need for our project. Tappy, the hammer's job is to connect things. His super strength drives nails in to hold the pieces of wood together. But he has a second power. His claw can grip onto and remove nails that are bent or in the wrong spot. Meet Screwy. His twisting power drives in screws, which have special grooves that grip the wood for a really strong hold. And for the super tough jobs, there's Wrenchy. His amazing grip power is perfect for tightening nuts and bolts. Grippy the Pliers has the power of precision pinching. He can hold, bend, or pull small things that our fingers just can't. The most important rule of the Super Squad is safety first. Tools are powerful, so always have a grown-up helping you. But the squad's greatest power is teamwork. Each tool uses its special skill to help build something amazing, piece by piece. And there it is, a brand new go-kart, ready for adventure, all thanks to the amazing skills of the Toolbox Super Squad. Once you know their powers, you'll see these heroes everywhere, helping to build and fix our world every single day. So remember, having the right tool makes any job easier. Next time you open a toolbox, say hello to the Super Squad. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.